Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Given what we saw during the elections, Nigeria is now even more divided and more corroded than we thought. This places a deep onus on any administration following the current one to urgently facilitate the process of national moral rearmament and national reconciliation that the potential to enhance healing for aggrieved and bereaved persons across Nigeria and to assuage the youth. This must be done in sync with the imperative of national value reorientation that Nigeria requires to build a collective sense of enduring and noble values and national belonging. 2. Governance in Nigeria now calls for thinking outside the box in terms of development financing. This has become inevitable in the face of Nigeria's dwindling fortune in oil revenue, Nigeria's huge foreign indebtedness, and the urgency of diversifying Nigeria's monocultural economy. We cannot be spending like drunken sailors on frivolities and corruption and expect development and growth. Such situation cannot take us into the fourth industrial revolution already underway or prepare us for the fifth. My experience and understanding, however, is that the money to develop and grow our economy is out there. If we provide conducive environment for it to come and stay. 3. Political will, political action, and administrative efforts must be invested on reforming the public service into a capability-ready institution that could enable Nigeria's development agenda beyond 2023. All these and more are necessary to correct and not to repeat the sickening and painful show of shame which the elections of 2023 generated into. Let me conclude by stating clearly that I am now too old to keep quiet and watch Nigeria seemingly clueless lodge into a dystopia. All efforts are now required from all well-meaning and committed patriots to rescue the nation from the precipice. And when I look at the audience, I have a feeling that among the people who can do it and who must do it are some of you here. And that becomes my own personal obligation to continue in my relentless service as letterman, dedicated in my twilight years to saying the truth as I see it, so as to push Nigeria in the direction of our collective aspirations. And what is our collective aspiration? Or what are our collective aspirations? A better society where all Nigerians can become what the Almighty God has destined them to be. At times like this, some of us have to adopt the attitude of being known to be blind and not being afraid of the dark. But we must continually work for the light for all. Once again, I congratulate you, Tunji, for your continuing labor on behalf of the Nigerian Public Service, and most importantly, for adding this significant intellectual member to your huge corpus of publications and to the annals of administrative reforms in Nigeria at a defining and auspicious moment like this. This memoir must find its way into all federal and state ministries, as well as the national libraries in Nigeria. Of course, it must become one item in the fundamental reading list for all serious-minded Nigerian development workers, public managers, policymakers, development theorists and planners, and administrative scholars. I want to sincerely appreciate Patrick. Where is he? Oh, it's when I call you, you are going to the chairman. Listen to me. I say I want to sincerely appreciate you and next year and Ibadan School of Government and Public Policy for putting this event together. I really appreciate your effort. And for inviting me to participate, even though I'm getting old. May God bless you all and bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Because I say I'm getting old.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.